During Operation Sindoor, we have seen that how drones had played a major role in various military operations. Let it be reconnaissance, let it be surveillance, and let it be precise attacks. They have decided the fate of the war. Jai Hind, gentlemen, today my lecture topic is drone warfare. Starting with the most basic question, what is drone? So drones are referred as UAV, unmanned armed vehicles. As the word itself, unmanned itself suggests that it does not include any fighter. So these are the aircraft which does not require any fighter, any pilot to fly in the sky. Now talking about what is drone warfare. So drone warfare includes various kinds of military operations such as surveillance, then precise attacks, then carrying the arms and ammunition from one place to another place, intelligence gathering and various other roles. Now talking about the types of drones. First comes the surveillance drones. Their roles is to detect the enemy camps. Their role is to detect get intelligence gathering and these types of acts such as border security management. Second types of drones are combat armed drones. These includes bombs and missiles in them, and they are used to destroy completely the enemy area, and they are mainly used to kill the terrorist. Third type of drones is cargo drones, which are used to transport the arms, ammunitions, medicines and food supply to remote battlefield areas. Now gentlemen, talking about some of the advantages that drones give to us. First and foremost is the low cost. As you will be well aware that a fighter jet costs much larger times as comparison to a drone. And that is why investing in drone is quite a cost efficient thing for us. Secondly is no risk to fighter pilot. As I have already mentioned that it does not require any person to fly it on air sky. That is why they does not cause any risk to fighter pilot, and it can be easily be operated from a remote place as in a normal living room. Third is the precise attacks. As we all know that they are incorporated with smart AI sensors which can detect precise movements and precisely enemy bunkers and enemy terrorist area, and can be used in precise attacks. Now gentlemen, talking about some of the disadvantages of it, as it is incorporated with artificial intelligence and electronics, so there has always been a risk of data vulnerability and data phishing activities. Now in conclusion, I want to conclude up my lecture by saying that drone warfare has continuously evolved our various military operations, and India should invest heavily upon these types of technology to become a future ready country and to strengthen and secure our borders in a much safer and efficient way. Thank you.